हेलो दोस्तों, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। आज हम करने वाले हैं कैलाश चंद्रा मैगजीन में से एक्सरसाइज नंबर 434। सो बी रेडी फॉर द डिक्टेशन। स्टार्ट। मिस्टर चेयरमैन, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई वुड लाइक टू कंग्रेचुलेट द ऑनरेबल रेलवे मिनिस्टर for proposing no increase in the passenger fares and also for proposing no increase in the freight rates. Stop. Of course, the freight rate increase has come into operation only very recently, namely on the 1st October 2008. I would like to congratulate the Honorable Minister for this, that in the current year there had been no major accidents. Stop. I would also like to appreciate in this regard the due care and caution taken by the railway administration insofar as there have been no major accidents this year. Stop. There is also another aspect that if we examine from this point of view, we will find that the increase of 50% in the net earnings is not after all a very bad performance. Stop. Here we might remember that the net earnings could be much more but for the two factors about which the Honorable Minister has complained and about which many times questions were asked in the House. Stop. I am referring to the ticketless travelling. Stop. This ticketless travelling has assumed a very large proportion. Stop. In answer to a question in this Honorable House, it was suggested that the detected cases ran into some lakhs and undetected cases were bound to be perhaps much larger than those that have been detected. Stop. This has assumed such a large proportion that there must be a concerted effort to eradicate this evil. Stop. The Honorable Minister has appealed to the public to help in the eradication of this evil. Stop. I would make 2 or 3 suggestions in this regard. Stop. One is the progressive use of intercommunicating coaches, what are known as coaches in the train, so that even during the running of trains, checks could be carried out without delay in running. Stop. Another is just as we have propaganda pamphlets regarding properties of the railways, we might also have propaganda pamphlets regarding ticketless travelling, inviting public corporation or passengers cooperation and saying that wherever they detect any ticketless travellers, they might at once convey the information to the authorities concerned. Stop. Another suggestion is that a more deterrent punishment than is given hitherto to the ticketless travellers should be given. Stop. After all, it is at the cost of those who are paying fares that this ticketless travelling takes place, or the ticketless travellers are enjoying. Stop.